I started from my home, and I would call upon a few welders or hands whenever I had a job where I needed some help. I was outsourcing a lot of the small fabrication that would fall in our lap because we didn't have no equipment, no tooling. I was looking for a shop at that point, and I figured there's no way I could own. I'm still small. Right thereafter, I started talking with the SBDC. We were able to find a way where I was going to be able to buy my first building. You know, this door had magically opened. We flew out to a large trade show where we went and looked at equipment. And we were surprised how a lot of people were willing to work with people that were as small as we were. Came back to Bakersfield with a lot of dreams, and we found out that we were going to be able to finance some of the equipment not necessarily available to us, to a company of our size. So now we weren't just an installer, we had just now become a fabricator. And we're able to open up new markets. So a lot of the projects that we take on are either structural, sheet metal, or process piping, whether it's for food production, oil, gas, steam, water. And we're only capable of taking on larger projects due to the fact that we've continued to grow the business. If you don't have the right people, the right mentors, it will take you a tremendous amount of time for you to figure this out on your own. The minute we reached out to the SBDC, that's when we've seen the growth. That's when we started hiring more employees. That's where we started acquiring more equipment. That's when we started buying our own facilities. And that's where we've seen the true growth and the true potential in our dream. Go out and look for your local SBDC representative. Talk to them. Let them know what your plans are, what your aspirations are, where you're at, whether you're in the beginning stages of your business, whether you're planning to open up a business, or whether you've been running your business on your own will like I did for many years. They were there for me then, they're there for me now. So I suggest that you do yourself a favor and you reach out